Storm in Tennessee, U.S. August 8, 2023.
Oh boy! Oh!
Under severe weather warnings on Monday, August 7th, as excessive rainfall, high winds, hail and flooding threaten eastern states. As the summer season is approaching to an end in East Tennessee, the storm continued to leave damage in some of the counties. The storm passing through Knox County and East Tennessee brings wind gusts of 80 miles per hour. August 7.
That is our car.
Social media users shared the moment the storm moved towards their area. Rain accompanied by strong winds like a tornado blowing at speed of up to 80 mph. Footage from netizens showed homes in Knoxville, Tennessee, with their roofs torn to shreds and debris strewn about the neighborhood's lawns. In neighboring Loudoun County, the school district's announced one high school would be closed Tuesday due to storm damage sustained. Additionally, a vehicle on Cedar Bluff Road in West Knoxville has suffered damage after the roof came off during the storm. As of around 2:30 p.m., electricity had been knocked out for tens of thousands of people in western counties of East Tennessee. The Jefferson County Sheriff's Office reports that over 10,000 customers in the county are without power. In Cumberland County, around 3,400 customers were without power as of around 11 p.m. Around 1,400 customers were without power in Meigs County. And in Rhea County, around 2,800 customers were without power. In Knox County, the Knoxville Utilities Board reported 15,000 customers without power as of around 11 p.m., and many more in other regions.